though there's a lot of cynicism and even negativity around, how Montreal is doing, of course there are challenges, of course, and some people are having a hard time. Small businesses, are thriving right now, but I do want to say that we're in a good position, and we're doing everything we can to make sure that Montreal will go back, hopefully in a few months and years, to a very enviable economic situation. So right now we're following the public health authorities, I was about to say roof, or we can go up to 25% in terms of presence into the different buildings. And so first of all, today we're encouraging all the employers to bring back their people up to that level. Hopefully, depending on the situation, it might even move even higher, and I think that would be a great thing. We need to make sure that we bring people back in our city center where it is safe, in public transport it is safe, all businesses, everybody's now adapting to the new COVID situation, so it is a safe place to be. That being said, we can not only count on people's presence, even at 25%, it's not enough, and this is why we're also supporting one of the recommendations of one of our economic committee, of making sure that the city center of Montreal is considered as an economic sector of itself, that there's businesses in it that supports the entire economic ecosystem in Quebec. So those are, I would say, two things on a more individual and employers side, but also the support we need from the other levels of government.
Any indication from Quebec that they might increase, above 25%?
Michel, do you want to answer this one?
J'ai été en communication récemment avec, in English, I'm sorry. I was in contact very recently with the Minister Boulet, and we discussed whether some businesses were reaching the limit, and he acknowledged that depending on public health authorities, we would eventually consider, they would eventually consider rising it if the situation allows it. And the idea, of course, it's a maximum. So it's not an objective, and if they fix the limit higher, we will still see businesses with 5% in presentiel, embodied, whatever. But the idea here is that first we realize that employees have to realize that public transit are having the right protocols. Businesses are implementing the right protocols. It is safe, and it is fun to be downtown these days because you can go to restaurants, good restaurants, without a reservation. There's still room. So there's lots of reasons. We need people to realize it's safe. We need businesses to take responsibility for bringing people back and help downtown businesses.